If you set up the washer to fill with cold water, turn the washer on. But the washer won't take in cold water. Or if you set up the washer to fill with hot water, and the washer won't take in hot water. The problem could be a bad water valve. The best way to check the water valve is by applying 120 volts to the valve coils with a test cord like this one. To make a cord you need two insulated female quick disconnect terminals 1/4 inch wide. Crimp the terminals to a cord like this. Disconnected the washer from the wall outlet. Open the controls panel. Disconnect the door switch wires. Remove the cabinet holding clips. And remove the cabinet. Click on this link if you need to see how to remove the cabinet. With the test cord ready, let me show you how to check the water valve. Use a small screwdriver to remove the wires from the coils. Connect the test cord to the two terminals on the top coil. If when you connect the test cord to the wall outlet, the washer starts filling with cold water, the coil is working okay. If the washer won't fill with cold water, the coil is bad and the water valve must be replaced. Disconnect the test cord from the wall outlet and disconnect it from the top coil and connect it to the bottom coil. Reconnect the test cord to the wall outlet. If when you reconnect the test cord to the wall outlet, the washer starts filling with hot water, the coil is working okay. If the washer won't fill with hot water, the coil is bad and the water valve must be replaced. If the coils check okay, connect the wires to the coils. If they are bad, check how to replace the water valve. How to replace the water valve. Turn the water faucets off. Put a towel on the floor to catch any water left in the fill hoses. Disconnect the two fill hoses. Disconnect the wires from the water valve coils. Move this clamp. Disconnect this hose. Unscrew the screw. Grab and remove the bad water valve. Set the new water valve in place. Secure it with a screw. Install this hose. Secure it with a clamp. Connect the wires to the top coil. And the wires to the bottom coil. Connect the fill hoses. Don't over-tighten them, or you could damage the threads on the valve. Install the cabinet. Secure it with the two holding clips. Connect the wires to the door switch. Lower and secure the controls panel. Open the water faucets. Connect the washer to the wall outlet. Try the washer to see how it works now. That was how to replace the water valve. Click on these links to visit my website, and to subscribe to my channel.